Bianyere maka obudole naka mojata Igwe aka modekwata Uzondu aka modekwata Biko chuko biano saramonumo obudole naka modekwata Igwe aka modekwata Uzondu aka modekwata
Yes, Papa.
Who collected the money I kept inside?
Money?
Anymore.
I don't know. Maybe you should ask Mama.
You don't know. Where is your money?
She's at the backyard.
At the backyard?
Yes, Papa.
Call her for me.
Okay. Mama! Mama! Papa is calling you.
Nine. Why is your face like this? Any problem?
There will be no problem if you give me the money. Where is the money you collected inside? Please, go and give it to me because I'm running late for the elders meeting, please.
I did not see any money. Maybe you should go inside and check very well.
Right. Why is it that you can never in your life say the truth? It's not in your dictionary. What do you mean by I should go inside and look for the money and you did not collect any money? So I am now blind. There's no problem. I'm now one name with Dikeh. Where is Ketepa Nwagi? That's one. Where is he?
Papa Ketepa. Mother na Ketepa. Nna Ketepa. I don't know. I have not set my eyes on him since morning.
You've not set your eyes on him since morning?
Since morning.
It's alright. So, he has gone out to squander my money. My hard-earned money. Now, tell him that I am out for him this time around. There's no problem. I am coming back. Let me run for the others meeting.
Lost go memory can the Bollywood India.
Oh, there is no problem. When I come back, then we will know.
Ha! Somebody will not rest in this house. Every day, shout. Ogini! Ha! But let me continue with my work. I will not rest.
Ifoma. Hey! Igwe!
My elders, I greet you.
Igwe!
My elders, ndị banks na awada agboso efife na nkịtị. Na ọ bụ na o nwere ife na-achụ ya, ma na ụmụ nke ọ na-achụ.
Otu atọ dị.
Why I called you is to remind you about our big events.
which is coming up. What I mean is my Ofala festival. I want us to start preparing for it now because early preparation brings good results.
Yes.
Igwe. Who is that? Igwe. Echi. Who is pushing you? Who is after you?
Igwe.
Echi, why are you panting like this?
Igwe, I saw Ichienuka's daughter lying dead at the road of Ashara River.
What? Igwe Ndoka's daughter?
Igwe.
Dead.
Wait,
this
my
is
own daughter? Yes.
Another
No, that can't be.
Igwe. This is what Igwe Ndoka's daughter. Hey!
What have I done to deserve this? Look at my daughter is dead. Ndilo magomo.
Be a man. Take her home. Take her home, let's go.
What is the matter? What's troubling you? I've been here since calling you.
I don't understand again. I'm acting strange these days. I don't understand. What?
This is malaria. I need to get some herb for you.
This has gotten beyond herb issues or malaria. I feel like I'm being controlled by something. Like, this is very serious. I don't understand.
This is serious. Anyway, I think you should go inside and sleep.
Right. That's true. Let me go inside.
My dear, are you people set?
Yeah, we are going.
Okay. It's all right. Please, you people should not stay long. Huh?
Don't just push me.
Take care of your mom.
Don't push me. Don't go yourself.
Wait, is this not your son's voice I'm hearing?
Going back.
Is this not your son's voice?
This place doesn't look like my house. It looks like
I told you.
graveyard.
You have done it again.
No, I'm going back.
Obinna.
Oh.
Obinna. Obinna. Ekwensu ka ifere mee gị n'ụwa. Shame to the devil. Your mother and your sister are set to the farm. And here you are, this early morning, drunk, dangling. They push you, you push them, like this, like that. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Utobo, are you not ashamed of yourself? Why will you be ashamed of yourself? When you abuse embezzling my money. There's nothing again. So you don't have any other shame. You pick, you go and drink yourself to stupor. Finish.
Wait.
See, as you can see, the players are set for the match. As you can see, the referees are about to take the center. Is that anything in the house? Because I'm hungry.
Why are you doing this to yourself? You stole your daddy's money last time, and today you're drunk. Obinna, why?
Why won't you be drunk after taking my money?
No problem.
Utobo.
I will be on my way.
Utobo, not Obinna, not my son.
Yeah, Biba.
Oh yeah,
Let me go.
Let me go to the restaurant.
You put down to give me food. So bad.
You shall never be well with anybody that did this to you.
Ichendoga. Something is bothering me. Why I'm here is because of the strange things that have been happening in this our community. See how our children are dying. The death is not the problem. It is not the problem. The surprising thing there is the strange mark.
I'm as confused as you are. You see, the death of my daughter really shocked me. But as you can see, there's nothing I can do about it. Eh? The question is, who is responsible for all these deaths? And the reason for all these killings? Eh? Look at me. That mark is not an ordinary mark. Hey!
The issue is that we need to do something very fast. Very fast. And if we don't do it, hey, Ichendoka, I am envisaging, I am seeing all of us in this community being wiped away.
You and me know that there's someone who would have done this. It's no more. You see, there's no solution no. For now.
That is true. But I think if we should stand or sit cleaning and clapping our hands, saying nothing will happen. If something doesn't happen, if we did not do something, something will do us.
Let's hope.
If we don't do something, something will do us.
Let's hope on the gods to come to our rescue.
We should keep waiting for the gods. It's good though. But I think we should do something. Because if we don't do something, if we keep folding our hands, waiting for the gods to do something, something will do us.
Amaka, look at this, your mother. Amaka, somebody should help me, oh. Amaka, please don't do this, your mother. Amaka, oh, hey,
stand up. Amaka, stand up. What is happening?
Hey, do something. Do something. No, get it higher, man. If you go,
Why are all of you laughing? I don't like this kind of laugh because as you see me, I'm not in the mood. Huh? Why you people doing this? So you put inform me about the August meeting and you gathered here. I don't understand. I am doing August meeting. You don't even get it.
You are a fool. Look at you staggering. Your sister is here then. And we are talking rubbish.
My sister is not dead. My sister is asleep. You put to leave her. When she recovers, you will wake. Don't leave her alone. She's not dead. No worry. She went for.
Who is behind all this? Who is behind all this?
Mommy, Amaka, hey, Nai. But this mark is not here before. Nai,
Now I know.
Hey.
Finally, Amaka is dead.
Hey! Amaka. Hey!
Allow her. She's sleeping.
Hi, Amaka.
Amaka. Hey!
When you come, Majolo, who did I offend?
Is there any?
Who did I offend? Ghosts of our land. Who did I offend? Because this mark.
Amaka.
I don't like this.
This udara is very sweet. It's sweet. But wait, have you noticed something? What? Since we've been walking through this lonely path, we've not seen not even a soul. Nobody. We've not seen anybody. Let's go and pick more. Maybe we should go back. Everywhere is too quiet.
Sister, no, let's go. I need some more.
Are you not scared? Do you want to die? Come on, let's go.
Sister.
Let's go.
Oh, because of Allah. Why me? Why? Why is my life like this? What kind of life am I living? This is not the kind of life I want to live. I deserve to die. I don't need to live. Because of Allah, take my life. Take my life than taking other people's life. I'm tired of this kind of life. Erima. What am I doing here? Who brought me here? Talk to me.
What do you mean? I meet you here sleeping and you're asking me who brought you here.
If I can remember, I was in the bush. How come I'm here? You see, this is exactly what I'm telling you. This is exactly what I'm saying. I'm tired of all this, so I'm tired.
Erima, stop crying. I'm here to console you for the death of your cousin's sister. I'm not here to add more salt to your injury. It's okay, please.
Thank you. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you. Obina, what is it?
What's the problem? Why are you shouting my name? What?
Nne, it's me. It hasn't gotten to that. Nne.
So what is it?
Smile. Smile now. This on your face is like this. You went for? Huh? Okay, no problem. Actually, I'm here to give you this one.
So is that why you are shouting my name?
Yes.
Any other thing?
No! Oh! 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 Bye-bye! Woo! Woo! Bye!
So you are still like this. So since morning, you've been thinking. When I was leaving, you were thinking, and I asked you not to think. Now you are still thinking. Once you close this eye, and stop breathing, you are dead. And once you are dead, bam, under the grave.
Now, what do you want me to do?
Okay.
What do you want me to do now?
By the way.
Yeah, no.
By the way, here is our son.
Look at him over there. Look at him. He has finished himself with me. Just look at him. I'm with your tabon.
Ah. Those on the drama, Juju.
Now, how did the meeting go?
My dear, the meeting went well.
Igwe assured us that he will find solution to the calamities. So we are waiting for him now. You know he's the Igwe, so we keep waiting till when he finds the solution.
We hear from him.
Chill. You're waiting for who?
For Igwe.
Meaning what? Meaning what? Are you telling me that you are going to fold your hands with your Igwe and watch our children die like chicken in this community? Is that what you are telling me? Hi. Oh, Chimo, can't see Joe. My daughter is gone. My daughter is dead, oh. Just look at our son. My son has turned to a drunkard and a womanizer. And you are here telling me that Igwe assured you that he's going to do something about it. No. This house is not going to contain both of us. I don't take that thing. If I deba, I don't sure not can go. I don't think that thing under your trouser is still working. Because by the time I finish with you and that thing under your trouser. Hey. Look at me very well. I'm a mad woman now. You better go out there. Go and discuss with your Igwe. Because by the time you will know that you are a husband to a mad woman.
Okay.
You better go and do something.
Wait.
Or else.
Wait. Nani. Because I've seen that you have assumed the duty of Nani now. Nani. Wait, what exactly is your problem? I want to know what your problem is. Is your problem that I am not the Igwe? Or is your problem my John Thomas between my tentacles? Which one is your problem? Is my John Thomas the one to issue the order?
My problem is that you are going to go out there, go and meet your Igwe, and know what you are going to do about the death of my daughter.
Okay.
Or else.
Then why are you referring to my John Thomas? Why did you go to my John Thomas? Yes.
When your John Thomas refused to walk, I walk under that's your John Thomas.
My John Thomas is not the Igwe, isn't it?
I don't care.
Oh yeah, issue order.
You better go and meet that Igwe.
John Thomas, issue order.
Go now and meet that Igwe. Okay.
Guys, sit down. Yes. Move.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Igwe, please, I want to know your plans concerning all these calamities in this community. Because if care is not taken, if nothing is being done, all of us, everybody, all of us, will be wiped away.
Ozon, good question.
Cheers on Igwe, good question. I want you to know that if I say I'm not aware of what is going on in this community, I am a big liar. But I want you to know at the same time that I'm still consulting the gods to know exactly what to be done.
Please now. Please now.
Come on, come on.
Please now, please. My arms, I need.
Udo, tell us how it happened.
Ada, wake up. Ada, stop this thing now, Ada. Ada, hey, Chimo, Ada, stand up now, Ada, stand up. Ada, Chimo, Ada, stand up. Ada, stop this thing now, Ada, please, Ada. Ada.
Igwe,
Sit down. What do you want me?
Don't take loss into your hand.
It's all right.
Put yourself together.
Calm down.
Erima,
My kid.
you heard what he narrated.
I swear by the ghost of my life, I didn't know what they accused me of. Igwe, please. I swear. I've never killed anyone.
Shut up your mouth. You heard what he narrated. So you have been the cause of the calamity befalling a normal community. And you are telling us that you don't know anything. How dare you? How dare you? Now listen and listen good. By the power bestowed unto me as the king of this abnormal community, I hereby banish you. You will be taken to the evil forest. You will live there all the days of your life for the punishment of your sin.
Igwe, please. Igwe, please don't do this to me. Igwe, I swear I didn't kill anybody. Igwe, please. Igwe, please.
Pass up.
Oh, Igwe, please. Bring it. Oh, come Jesus! Uncle, please! Uncle! Uncle, please!
Make sure you tie her very strong. No problem, chain. No problem. Well. Oh yeah, shush. Yeah, I'm suspecting this security. Make sure you tie her. You guard. I'm suspecting you. Tie her very well. You uncle. Please. My friend. Come down, do my work.
Look at her legs. Tie her legs. Tie her legs very well.
She only for his
tie her legs very well.
You don't know what tie her legs. Come, shut up. You keep quiet. Hey, tie. You don't know what is tie. Tie. Come on, do your work. Don't touch her. Make sure it's very strong. Yes, sir. We tie her very well. Please keep quiet.
Why me?
Take it from there.
Why me?
Very good. Very good. Are you done? Are you done? Shake her so that I will know that she's not shaking. Yes. Good job. When you get there, you tell them what you have done. I hope you are done. When next you see somebody like me, you know learn how to respect me. Guy there. Very well, sir. Very well.
Mama! If you keep crying like this, what will I do? That's why I said you should stop crying. The best thing that has ever happened is nothing is turning upside down. But you stop crying. Stop it. If you cry not this much, the next thing that will happen to you is your eyeballs will fall on the ground. Stop crying. Because you are crying. Michael, listen to the room. Hey! Hey! Oh, what's is it real? Eh? Go now. Hey, go. How's the brother's father? Hey, what the kid? Okay. Hey, can go to talk? No, I want to go and buy. Okay, the name of it's not as if I'm afraid though. I know you are not afraid. Me self, I'm not even afraid. You are still pushing me. I'm not pushing you, I'm pushing you. So I should go. During the World War, I know how I managed to. I trust you now. How do I go? You said I'm not pushing you, I'm just touching you. Stop frightening me. Just leave this in open. Okay. Because I may like to come and eat myself. I know. That's my husband. Everybody can. Kill you, watch you go. Everybody can. I'll get it. Hey! Hey!
What have I done to deserve all what you've done to me?
He said, hey! Back! Go! no matter. Huh? Where is Igwe? I want to see where Igwe is not around. Don't you know that American? I said Igwe is not around. Where is Igwe? Igwe is not around. Igwe is not around. Yes. Igwe just went out. If Igwe comes back, tell Igwe that I'm not going to sleep in my compound. That there is fire on the mountain. A rima that they took to the evil forest is waiting for me at home. A rima is waiting for me at home. Sitting quietly looking at me. In fact, tell Igwe, a rima is in my compound now. Yes. If I tell you, no need of telling him, we are here waiting for him. You go is not around. We are waiting for him. Move! You better go! Hey!
I'm really scared of what is happening in this house. Not only me. I'm really trying to run away from this community. So where? From another home of fun. I think about that. My dear, your own is better. Oh, very good. Maybe I will. Why are they running from me? What's wrong with them? This is unfair. Why are they treating me this way, like as if I'm a stranger in this land? It's not good though.
Where are these people now? They should be here. Hey!
My Lord.
What is the problem? This one you are panting like a lizard that fell from an Iroko. What's the problem?
My Lord. As I'm talking to you, they are all dead. I'm the only one that survived.
Wait. As you are talking to me, others are dead. Amor, as you are talking to me, they are all dead. And we are here, panting. You are not even ashamed of yourself. They are all dead. And we are here. Why are you alive? You should have been there. Why don't you die over there than coming to tell me this rubbish? Little assignment I give you, a little task. Just remove this thing. Remove this thing, no? Just remove this thing. We are here. Did I say you should go and get lion or elephant? So you can't eliminate that little thing.
Mas, as you try to kill Orima, thunder from nowhere. Everybody. Me, I managed to escape. Master, that is not an ordinary person.
I thought you were a correct human being. Now I know you are running, you are going mad. So you were there counting the thunders. You were there, busy counting the thunders. You could not go and deliver your work. You were counting thunders.
Master,
boys, so yeah. Master, if we talk of boys in the community,
Master, you will not understand. You will not understand. Oh, you will not understand.
I made a very big mistake. I should have looked for ladies that will do this job for me instead of these half men. Nadia, take out. Okay.
Ọkwa n'ife njiri ka nna ọta wuo orie mgbamgbụ isi mgba machele kusi nsị kesịrị mmọnwụ chukwa kịdị nwezo iba na mekene ihe ọgịnịdị ọkwa ikputu ka ị na-agwọ anụ na-amacha ọka na ada amachiri ya ọnụ agakasị ndị na-egwu osimiri ọkwa na iri mmiri nke utele ji eti ụkwụ na mmiri ọgịnịdị asị n'ụbọchị taa ga-adịrị anyị mma ọgịnị ka m ji anyị ma afọ ife a eyinu nna ochie bịa were ọjị mmụọ mmiri mmụọ enu anị ichie enu anị ichie enu mmiri ọgịnị akpa ka anyị were ọbara tịrị ọbara na-aba ha akwa anya ntịkwa onye kachie ntị eji mkpọrọ ọfụ n'anya isi na taa ga-abụ ife ọma ekwere mfunu Men of Anioma Kingdom, you are welcome.
Wise one. Thank you.
What brought you to Great Anyanwu?
Wise one, we were sent by our king. Our community is in great danger and we are here for solution.
Ochiaza. Erima, the daughter of Adako, granddaughter of Obuefi.
Wise one, how do you know her name? She has been a thorn on our flesh.
Erima, you people are talking about is innocent of all these allegations. She committed no crime.
Wise one, what do you mean? What do you mean?
Wise one, what do you mean by nothing? We are here for solution. That girl has been causing problems in our land. Killings. In fact, as we speak to you right now, there is a great danger in our land. So wise one, please tell us what to do.
Nothing. Even Jirikane about a warrior. Bomba is a bomba cheleku. Since the Kasrebo Momuchuka, could you so you back and neck and neck?
Now. Hey, how are you? Like you are up to date. Okay, I thought as much.
Like this one you are.
Oh, all is well.
I hope all is well.
All is well. All is well. All is well. Thank God. Very much.
No, let me go and get to chair.
No.
You see that?
No, there is no problem. Don't leave chair. This is not sitting issue. It's not
okay,
issue.
let me go and get you food because
there
I have some food in the house.
Hey, Adako, your problem is that you care too much. It's okay. It's alright. I'm okay.
Oh, you don't want to eat. You don't want to see that.
No, there is no problem.
Okay.
Oh?
There's no problem. So, what of my wife? How is she? Because I've not seen them this morning.
She's fine. She's fine. They went to the farm. They said they want to go and get some food stuff. By the way, where is since I woke up, I've not seen her.
That one. She went out with her friend. Maybe it's one time and they'll be back.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. And that sounds right. There is this thing that have been disturbing me all this one. I say, let me just say it out to avoid the mapper. You know, there's this saying that goes this way. That when you park your motorcycle, when you park your machine for a very long time without servicing it, there is every tendency the motorcycle will not start again unless you service it. You want to go? So, you know, in this context now, we need to service some things, put some oil now, catch up log, and then all these rusted areas. Everything will just move. If I touch you, I touch you.
Okay, barabada. Woro no mukuna na no. I want to baby in age. You know, you always speak in parable. Let me understand you.
It's all right. It's not as if I speak in parables. So. You know, since your husband, my brother, is no more, I said it would be very necessary if I should come and meet you so that the two of us will be rubbing shoulders together. Who knows? I might have or you might have a male child for him.
Hey! Nine.
It's a mama can.
Nine.
Nine.
Wait, so you want two of us? Monagi? Kindness, Carita. That you should be rubbing shoulder
together.
So you want us to sleep together nine? Hey. That is what you want tonight. Hey!
Don't say sleep. If you say sleep, it sounds abominable. I say rubbing shoulders together. Why should you use that acronym sleep? Don't use sleep. It's just rubbing shoulders together.
Rubbing shoulders. If you have chemicals, go and meet your wife to give you kudakus. Not in my own house. Did you hear what I said? Now you have a very fine, beautiful wife in your house. So you want me to open that for you now? It's barely few months. Your brother, which is my husband, my lovely husband, died. And here you are. Here you are, Nai, asking me this kind of nonsense. You see what I'm saying?
Did you have man?
You see it?
Hold it very well.
If you don't use my present now, and go to your box, now I will use it for you. I said it again. If you have chemicals, if this thing is, if you have chemicals, if this your two legs, your wife has kudakus to give you. Leave me, or I will shout all the old villagers. We enter this compound now. Please.
You are asking me to leave.
No, I'm asking you to stay.
Okay.
Leave my present job.
This thing I'm doing now is just charity work. Charity work. So that I will just clean everything. All these rusted areas. And they are here shouting. Very soon now everywhere will get rusted.
Hey! Go and shout your wife on. Eh? Go on.
Do this thing and everything will be alright.
Hey! Look at this man. I thought you were a human being. I never knew that you are an animal. Fool! Hey!
Papa. What's the problem? You've been like this is too much. What's bothering you?
This big grass cutter that I nearly killed when I was coming back home. Very big one. I nearly killed it, but it didn't just manage to escape my hand. So since that time, I just came back and my home mood changed. A very big one. No?
Yeah, forget about the grass cutter. The grass cutter is gone and it's gone forever. Maybe it was never meant to be yours. Don't forget about it.
It can't be forever. You don't know. I might still see it again. Okay, no, but that shouldn't change your mind. Hey, I got
Good evening, ma'am.
Obinna.
Ma'am.
How are you today?
Fine.
People are back from farm.
Yes, ma'am. They're back.
So how's your mom?
My mom is at the back here.
Okay, let me go and see her.
She's not at back. Your mom? No. She's not at the backyard. She went out. Yes, they came back. She went out again. Yes.
Mama, my mom's at the backyard.
Your mom, is she not my wife? I said my wife is not at the backyard. She went out. You say your mom is at.
We just came back from farm now. They are preparing food at the backyard now.
So somebody that came back now cannot go again.
Mama! Mama!
Obinna, Gini.
Oh,
Let me go and see
okay.
her.
She's even at the backyard. I did not even know. Yeah, go and see her. Oh, she's at the backyard. Yes, she's there. They are preparing for food. They are preparing food. Shut up. You are an idiot. Michon, Mama is inside. Henna. Mama is inside. That's the only thing you know how to talk. Mama is inside. Do you know now? Who knows? She might go there now and start asking her for money. And you know how we are moving with money. That woman, sometimes like this, she can be funny.
Yeah, if she asks for money, I will not want family. I will not want.
Oh, okay, we are one now. Yeah. But when you want to collect money, you will come to me. Forget. Next time when you look for money, I will go and give it to her. So that you know how it feels.
Papa,
we are one.
Papa, forget that thing you are saying. We are one.
As big as you are, you cannot make use of your head. You only talk. The ones they ask you and the ones they don't ask you, you will talk it.
Amaka, eh?
Yes, Mama.
Please do that thing very fast so that you can come over here and join me.
Hey, Dalu. How are you, my wife?
My wife. How are you?
I'm fine, oh. People are back from farm. Yes. Yeah, Dalu.
How is Erima?
Erima, she's fine. She's there doing something in the house.
Hi.
I say, let me come and greet you people.
Yeah, you did well.
So how was the farm today?
The farm, everything went well.
Let me be going so that I'll help her.
Oh, there's no problem.
No problem. I said, yes.
No, don't worry. Let me find you.
No,
don't you want to
worry.
eat?
My wife, don't
we
worry.
have food, though.
Don't worry. Let me go and help her. You know, she's cooking. She's in the kitchen. Okay.
Mama, greet Erima for me.
She will hear.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
Erima, what is it? You are not eating. Madam, my dear, please eat now. I've told you, very soon everything will be fine. Okay? Just manage. Try and eat. Try and eat. You're welcome. We didn't expect you. Hey, you did well. You really did well now. You're welcome. You're welcome. And as you can see, we are eating. Come and join us now.
Dad, how are you people coping?
As you can see now, we are managing. So how is the former your daughter?
Oh, she's fine. Child. If someone had told me that Okoro will not reach this day, I wouldn't have believed it. Okoro, my good friend. A very nice man too. Well, it is well. I imagine I've done.
That is it. That is it. Death. Oh, my husband. I never expected it in me. I never expected the death of my husband. But I still thank the gods for keeping me and my daughter alive till today. My husband was a very nice man. He's a nice man. I don't know why he died so early. He's not supposed to die now. He's not supposed. It's too early for him to die now. I don't know why they took him away from us. Look at me and my daughter. We're all alone in the house.
It is well. It is well. Stop crying.
It's okay.
It is well. I will be on my way now. If I reach home, I will send the farmer to bring some food for you people. Okay?
No. No, thank you.
Can you tell me? Thank you.
God bless you. May the God continue to bless you. Thank you.
See, Adad, I will even do more. Okoro was my good friend now, a very good friend of mine. And he's a nice man. Everyone knows him. Huh? Stand up. Huh?
Thank you for your caring. May the God continue to bless you.
Your husband, stand up. Your husband was a very good friend of mine. And I did what I was supposed to do. I will even do more. Huh? Stand up. Stand up. Sit down.
Thank you very much. I think so.
Okay.
She will not face.
She will face.
She will not face. She will not face. Not my house. Yes. Yo! Come on, collect. Hey! I know you are jealous. Take it easy. Come easy.
I'm not playing again. This was your. I'm not playing again.
Jealous. Don't mind her. Build your house.
Because I will you now.
You won. Don't mind her. You won. You build nice house, yeah?
Let's start from the beginning now. I'm not playing again. Let's go and fetch come on with it. Instead of playing and wasting our time.
Now you're coming wasting our time because I'm playing you. You for me this thing. I'm still with that again. You come back and win. I love you.
We love you.
Happy baby. Okay,
Nine.
You scared me.
Scared you, what? I scared you. Am I your ghost?
Nine.
Eh?
How did you get here? And what are you looking for?
These are long questions. Very long questions for that matter. Eh? I've told you, a saying goes this way. That a golden fish have no hidden place. We want a golden fish. Yes.
So, you have to do it in this bush. Ni mo fia ki yemezi fewa. Enna kid we cholo mbata we ni mo fia.
Let me tell you. Is it not even better in the bush? Here is a quiet place. Very nice, a very nice place. Very quiet. They have been asking you of this thing, just one day, just a little like this, and everything will be over. Even if it's just to just go in and just like this. I will not even.
Nai, let me hear what. Nai. Nai. Nai, I warned you. Nai, this is the second time. I warned you. Stay away from me. Please. What kind of a thing is this? What do you want from me, Nai? You see this thing? You want to enter here, right? Oh. Now, let me tell you the name of this thing. You see this thing? Afayabo Ononso Eruyaka. You will not see it. You will not enter here. Imamute.
Ononso Eruyaka?
Yes.
Ononso Eruyaka. I've known you to be a wicked woman. In fact, let me tell you, you are the one that killed my brother. You are very stingy. Stingy to the extent of this place. Look at stingy written all over you. And he came here and this is in fact a very big stinginess. That is here. You are very stingy.
Nine.
What do you mean? Look at the kind of name you gave this thing. Ononso Eruyaka. Even from Azo.
Nine.
Ononso Eruyaka.
I want you the last one. Oh. Nine, just leave me alone.
Okay. I will leave you.
Let me ask you. Are you not the brother of my husband?
I am.
Your own blood brother died. The only thing you know is to come after the wife. So that we enter here.
No, so that the blood brother, the blood will be passing through.
It will not pass through.
It will pass through.
If it is your own, it will not. I have told you. If you have Kelikus, go and meet your wife.
There's no problem.
Not me.
Let me tell you, I am coming for it. If it's on Ononso Eruyaka, if my hand cannot roll Nyaka, my other bro will roll there. My other bro will double. Say, I will double it. Let me tell you.
Not do anything.
I will double it. No problem.
You know your wife very well.
It has not gotten to that.
Oh, you are back.
If it's about my wife, just leave it. Leave it.
So you are afraid of your wife?
It's not like I'm afraid of her.
Hear what?
No problem. No problem.
Come and take it.
No problem.
Come and take it. Your own blood brother died. Only thing you see is to come and sleep with his wife.
Why all this noise?
Igwe, this evil woman here, this woman is an evil woman. Igwe, I caught this woman with another man. I caught her sleeping with another man. And Igwe, you know, in our community, it's an abomination to see woman who is still mourning her husband sleeping with another man. Hey! Igwe is lying against me!
Great one!
It's good you are here. And I know you have something.
Igwe, yes.